Welcome to Vskills YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn about the top interview questions for search engine optimization. So, let's get started. Question number 1. What is a domain? The answer is, people have trouble remembering numbers, yet they have no trouble remembering words. Domain names exist because it is easier to recall a single word or phrase rather than a large string of digits. For example, Google.com is easier to remember than 74.125.127.147. It serves as a descriptor and is merely a part of the address. Question number 2. What is a TLD? The answer is, the final portion of an internet address is the top-level domain. There are many various sorts of TLDs available, such as .com, .net, .org, .co, .in, and so on. Question number 3, what is web hosting? The answer is, if you compare purchasing a website to purchasing a home, web hosting is the land that you purchase. Web hosting refers to the space that web hosting firms make available for you to develop your website. The server must have access to the internet. Visitors' devices connect to the server when they type the domain name, and the pages are delivered. Question number 4, what does www stand for? The answer is, the World Wide Web is abbreviated as www. The World Wide Web, www, is a collection of websites hosted on web servers and accessible via local computers. Text, photos, audio, video, and other sorts of content can be found on the websites. Tim Berners-Lee created the World Wide Web in 1989. If the www were a book, its pages would be stored on servers all around the world. Question number 5. Difference between DA and PA. The answer is, DA stands for Domain Authority. It explains your complete website's authority. The higher the DA, the more likely you are to rank. However, DA is just one of the hundreds of ranking factors. On the other hand, PA stands for Page Authority. It explains a page's authority based on backlinks, social sharing, and other factors. Question number 6, what is CCTLD? The answer is, a country code top-level domain is referred to as a CCTLD. Each country's domain extension is unique. All CCTLDs consist of only 2 characters. For example, .in is for India and .us is for the United States. Question number 7, what is White Hat SEO? The answer is, White Hat SEO is a strategy of enhancing your search engine ranking while adhering to search engine guidelines and not compromising your tactics. White Hat SEO does not involve using unethical ways to manipulate search engines, but rather focuses on creating search engine-friendly websites and user experiences. White Hat SEO produces high-quality content that adds value to users and allows them to earn links rather than just build backlinks. Question number 8, what do you mean by Black Hat SEO? The answer is, the process of attempting to manipulate search engine algorithms in order to increase search engine ranking is known as Black Hat SEO. It goes against the rules of search engines. Instead of developing a website with consumers in mind, Black Hat SEOs adopt ways to gain fast results. They use a variety of Black Hat techniques, which search engines are aware of and penalize if they are discovered. While Black Hat approaches may be beneficial in the short term, they are not the best choice in the long run. If your site is penalized, removing it requires a lot of time and effort. Question number 9, what is a PBN? The answer is, a website formed on a dropped or auction domain is known as a private blog network. Some Black Hat SEOs create them in order to link to their main website and gain authority. This practice is frowned upon by Google since it can elevate a spammy website, causing it to be hidden from search engines. Question number 10, what is a do-follow link? The answer is, the default hyperlink is do-follow. When a do-follow link is found, search engines crawl the page and pass authority, also known as link juice, from one domain to another. More do-follow links from high-authority sites imply a better chance of ranking higher in SERPs, as backlinks are still a significant ranking component. Question number 11, what do you understand by the no-follow link? The answer is, another sort of backlink is a no-follow link, which allows webmasters to tell search engines not to follow a specific link. However, this does not guarantee that Google will not follow the links. When businesses link to social media sites or other third-party websites and don't want their link juice to pass to those sites, they utilize no-follow links. Question number 12, what is on-page SEO? The answer is on-page SEO refers to a set of operations carried out on a website in order to improve its ranking, user experience, and conversion. The following are the most important features of on-page SEO. Meta descriptions, meta tags and body tags, URL structure, keyword density, image, internal linking. Question number 13. What is keyword stuffing? The answer is keyword stuffing is a black hat SEO technique that involves increasing the keyword density to an extremely high level in order to rank for a specific keyword. After the Panda update, keyword stuffing to manipulate search engines is no longer recommended and should be avoided at all costs. Question number 14. Define keyword stemming. The answer is keyword stemming is the process of determining a keyword's root word and then adding suffixes, prefixes, and pluralization to create new keywords. Question number 15. What do you understand by keyword prominence? The answer is the position of your keyword on a web page is determined by its prominence. In a blog section, for example, it is preferable to include your keyword in the piece, particularly in the first and last paragraphs. Question number 16. What is NAP? The answer is NAP is an acronym for name, address, and phone number. One of the most important aspects of local SEO is the address. It aids search engines in comprehending and identifying the list of businesses that should be displayed for certain location-based searches. Question number 17. What is the bounce rate in SEO? The answer is bounce rate refers to the percentage of website visitors who depart the landing page without visiting any other pages or taking any action. Bounce rate is defined as single-page sessions divided by all sessions, or the percentage of all sessions on your site in which people viewed only one page and sent only one request to the analytics server, according to Google. To reduce bounce rates, increase page engagement, through internal links, CTAs, etc., improve page speed, and provide a consistent user experience, among other things. The bounce rate criteria differ by genre. B2B sites should have lower bounce rates than blogs, which tend to have higher bounce rates. Question number 18. What do you understand by meta description? The answer is meta descriptions are HTML characteristics that describe the content of a page. It not only gives search engines but also visitors a description of the web page. On the search engine results page, users can see the meta descriptions beneath the title of the web page. One of the most significant SEO elements is the meta description, which should be optimized for keywords. Apart from that, designing a meta description in such a way that readers want to read more about your web page and so enhance your center is critical. Question number 19. What are internal links? The answer is internal links are hyperlinks that connect one page of your domain to another. The structure of internal links is critical for both user experience and search engine optimization. Internal link structure should be thoroughly thought out with users in mind so that they may easily explore the website. Every key page should be only 2 or 3 clicks away from the main page. The amount of clicks necessary to get to a page from the home page is known as link depth. All of your critical main page links should be kept on the home page. Question number 20. What is Google Sandbox? The answer is the Google Sandbox effect is a notion that argues that new websites are usually on probation, within a box, and hence cannot rank effectively for their most essential keywords. According to the notion, Google requires some time to observe before leaving the fictitious area. It could be caused by constructing too many links in a short amount of time. Question number 21. What is SERP? The answer is the term SERP refers to the search engine results page. This is the page where you may see all of the search results when you use a search engine. PPC and organic listings are both included in the SERP depending on the term. Listings are offered in a variety of formats. Question number 22. What is the relationship between SEO and SEM? The answer is SEM stands for search engine marketing, while SEO stands for search engine optimization. The most significant distinction between the two is that SEO is free while SEM is not. Pay-per-click advertising and bought display ads are both included in SEM despite their significant differences, they operate best together. Question number 23. What is page speed and why does it matter? The answer is page speed relates to how quickly your website loads for a user, and it's something Google considers when ranking websites because a faster loading page equates to a better user experience, and to improve page speed, we can shrink the image sizes, enable compression, reduce redirects, remove render blocking JavaScript, leverage browser caching, improve server response time, use a content distribution network to compress files, optimize the code, and so on. Question number 24, what method do you use to redirect a page? The answer is, a 301 redirect is the ideal technique to redirect a page without losing any SEO value that has already been built up. Question number 25, what is web crawling? The answer is, search engine bots crawl web pages for indexing, which is known as web crawling. A spider or spider bot is what they're called. Crawlers employ hyperlinks to navigate to other pages and documents, then return the data to web servers for indexing. When a crawler visits a page, it copies it and adds its URLs to the index. Question number 26, what is link building and why does it matter? The answer is, Google exists to help people who are looking for information. That means Google is always attempting to figure out which results are the most relevant for every given searcher at any given time. Google takes trustworthiness into account in addition to relevance. As a result, the search engine examines your website to see if it has been linked to by other websites. If this is the case, your material is worth linking to and, as a result, is more reliable than a website with no external links. In a word, SEO specialists use link building to try to obtain links to their websites in order to boost search results. Question number 27, what makes a website search engine friendly? The answer is, keywords, quality content, titles, metadata, and other criteria all contribute to a website search engine friendliness. These elements are required for a website to be ranked by a search engine and hence found by a user. Question number 28. What is canonical? The answer is, canonical means a website having the same content on two different URLs. Question number 29. What is search engine submission? The answer is, the practice of submitting your website to popular search engines to ensure that it is crawled and indexed is known as search engine submission. However, this technique is no longer necessary because search engines have advanced to the point where they can quickly identify and index your website without you having to submit it manually. Question number 30. Why is anchor text important to SEO? The answer is, anchor text is used by search engines to determine the context of the page to which it is connected. This has some SEO significance in terms of determining what the page is about for search engines. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel.